Hey everyone! Today we have a 4-minute gua sha routine to reduce our marionette lines. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your skin. First move is Jowls left. Put your gua sha on your chin and move upwards to the sides of your nose. Hold your mouth in an O position. In this way, you will prevent any wrinkle that might appear while you are doing this exercise. Move slowly and smoothly upwards and keep doing this for 30 seconds on each side. This exercise will work on the lip muscles and reduce any wrinkles in this area, which is the main area for marionette lines. This move will help the muscles around the mouth to get stronger and lift upwards, which will help the jowls to lift. As a result, any wrinkles in this area will reduce. Next move is to lift the lip corners and the cheeks. Put your gua sha on your lip corners and move upwards to your ears diagonally. Keep vibrating while you're moving upwards. Do this for 30 seconds on each side. This move will lift the lip corners and sagging skin so the wrinkles will reduce. By boosting circulation and promoting collagen production through vibration, it will give you a fresh, glowing skin and a younger look. Next move is unfolding smile lines. Put your gua sha on the smile lines area and start to unfold and turn your gua sha smoothly and slowly on this area. Keep doing this for 30 seconds on each side. With this move, you're gonna unfold any wrinkles and fine lines here. You're gonna boost blood flow to this area, which can help bring more nutrient to the skin cells. Increased blood flow and the stimulation of cells may encourage new collagen formation, improving skin elasticity. As a result, it will reduce the wrinkles. The last move is to lift the face overally, starting from the sides of your nose and lip corners, moving upwards on your face. Do this for 30 seconds on each side. This simple exercise has many benefits. It will lift the face overally, it will reduce smile lines, marionette lines, it will lift lip corners and saggy jowls, also by increasing blood flow and helping to drain excess fluid and waste products from the facial tissues. It will give you a glowing skin and release any tension in the muscles around the mouth and cheek that can contribute to deeper lines. That's why we are finishing today's routine with this effective exercise. So this was it for today's effective routine. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to my channel. See you in next one. Bye!